Help Lightning is a virtual expertise solution that connects someone who has a problem with someone who can help. The app works on existing mobile devices or a web browser. Using live video from your mobile device, you can now visually collaborate with a colleague or a customer as though you were working side by side. You can do all sorts of helpful things like freeze the image, draw on your screen, zoom in on objects, and even pull up documents and photos to share through the app. What makes Help Lightning stand apart is that you can reach your hand into the view and virtually interact with the other person's environment to show them how to resolve a problem. The magic is in Help Lightning's merged reality technology, which blends together two real-time video streams, allowing you to be virtually hands-on from anywhere in the world. You can even support your customers without requiring them to download an app. Simply send a link in a text message, and your customers can connect to a help session using their mobile web browser. Not only does Help Lightning's merged reality create a more personal experience for customers, but being able to virtually interact removes the limitations and frustrations of common phone calls or video chat. This virtual interactive presence speeds up problem diagnosis and resolution and allows you to visually verify that the repair was done correctly. Help Lightning works with existing iOS and Android devices, and it can be integrated into your current customer care and field service processes and systems. With Help Lightning, service experts can show a resolution, not just describe it, even from 1,000 miles away.